Droid CLI is absolutely insane, free. Droid CLI just dropped, and it's completely free. This thing codes entire apps while you sleep. I'm talking full stack projects in minutes, not days. And the crazy part, it runs locally on your machine, no API costs, no subscriptions, nothing. This is about to change everything. Now let me tell you why this matters. Every business needs software. Every entrepreneur needs tools built, and hiring developers is expensive. We're talking thousands of dollars per project. Even simple websites cost a fortune. But with Droid CLI, you can build those same things yourself for free. And the code actually works. It's not broken, it's not buggy, it's production-ready code that you can deploy right away. Now here's where it gets even better. Most AI tools give up when things get hard. They hit a wall and stop. Droid CLI doesn't do that. It has what they call agentic behavior. That means it thinks on its own. If it runs into an error, it fixes it. If something breaks, it debugs it. If the code needs improvement, it rewrites it, all without you doing anything. You literally start it and walk away, come back later, and your project is done. I've seen people build entire SaaS apps with this thing. Apps that would normally take weeks or months. They're doing it in days, sometimes hours, and remember, this is all free. You're not paying a developer, you're not paying for AI credits, nothing. Your only cost is your time, and even that is minimal because the tool does everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Let me tell you what this means for your business. If you're building a startup, you can now prototype ideas instantly. You don't need to raise money for developers. You don't need to find a technical co-founder. You can build the MVP yourself. Test it with users, see if it works. Then once you prove the concept, you can hire a team to scale it, but you're not gambling thousands of dollars on an idea that might not work. You're testing it for free first. If you run an agency like me, this is a game changer. You can build custom tools for clients. You can automate workflows. You can create dashboards and reports, all without hiring expensive developers or paying for no-code tools that limit what you can do. Now, I want to talk about something important. This tool is not perfect. Nothing is. Sometimes it makes mistakes. Sometimes the code needs tweaking. But here's the thing. Even with mistakes, it's still faster and cheaper than any alternative. And as AI models get better, Droid CLI gets better too, because remember, it works with any model. So when GPT-5 comes out or Claude 4, you just plug it in. Instant upgrade. You're not stuck with old technology. Speaking of building skills and scaling your business, I need to tell you about something. If you want to take what you're learning here and actually make money with it, you need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you exactly how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. It's not just theory, it's real systems that work right now. And you get access to a community of people doing the same thing. People who are building real businesses with AI. The link is in the description. Go check it out after this video. Now let's get back to Droid CLI. I want to show you some real use cases, things you can actually build with this. First, business automation tools. Every business has repetitive tasks. Data entry, report generation, email responses. You can build custom tools that automate this stuff. Tools that would cost $10,000 to hire someone to build. You can make them in a weekend. Second, client dashboards. If you have clients, they want to see their data, their metrics, their progress. Instead of using generic tools, build custom dashboards. Dashboards that show exactly what they care about. Nothing more, nothing less. They'll pay more for that. And you built it for free. Third, internal tools for your team. Every company needs custom software. Project management, time tracking, resource allocation. Off-the-shelf tools never fit perfectly. They always have too much or too little. Build your own. Make it exactly what you need. Build a quick version with Droid CLI. Show it to potential customers. Get feedback before you invest serious money. Most startups fail because they build the wrong thing. You can avoid that by testing fast and cheap. With Droid CLI, that barrier is gone. You have an idea? Build it today. See if it works. If it does, keep going. If it doesn't, try something else. You can test 10 ideas in the time it used to take to build one. That's how you find winners, not by being perfect, by trying more things faster. And the people who figure this out first are going to have a massive advantage, because while everyone else is still debating whether to hire a developer, you'll have already launched 3 products. Now, I know some of you are thinking this sounds too good to be true. So let me be real with you. This tool is not magic. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. You still need to put in work. You still need to have good ideas. You still need to understand your market. What it does is remove the technical barrier. It lets you focus on the business side instead of the coding side. And that's huge. Because most people who fail at building software don't fail because of bad code. They fail because of bad business decisions. They build something nobody wants. They don't know how to market it. They give up too soon. Droid CLI can't fix that. But if you have the business skills, if you know how to find customers, if you understand your market, then this tool is a superpower. It lets you move at a speed that was impossible before. And speed is everything in business. The faster you can test ideas, the faster you can find what works, the faster you find what works, the faster you make money. It's that simple. Now, let me tell you how to actually get started with this. First, you need to install it. It's on GitHub. Just search for Droid CLI. The installation is straightforward. If you can follow basic instructions, you can do it. Second, you need to connect it to an AI model. If you have API access to Claude or GPT-4, use that. The quality is better. If you don't want to pay for API, you can use local models. They're free, but slower. Third, start with something simple. Don't try to build a complex app on day one. Build a basic website or a simple script or a small tool. Get comfortable with how it works. Learn how to give it good prompts. Then gradually take on bigger projects. Fourth, join communities where people are using this. Reddit has threads, Discord has servers, Twitter has discussions. Learn from what others are building, see what works and what doesn't, and share your own projects, get feedback. Now let's talk about the future, because what we're seeing now is just the beginning. AI coding tools are getting better every month. What takes Droid CLI an hour today might take 10 minutes in 6 months. What it can't do today, it might handle easily next year. And the people who learn to use these tools now are going to have a massive head start. They'll understand how to prompt effectively, how to structure projects, how to debug and improve. While everyone else is still figuring out the basics, they'll be building advanced products. That's the opportunity, not in being the best coder, in being the best at using AI to code. And that's a skill anyone can learn. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need years of experience. You just need to start, make mistakes, learn, improve. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the upside has never been higher. Because software is eating the world. Every business needs it. Every industry uses it. Every problem can be solved with it. And now you can build it yourself for free. That's insane when you think about it. 10 years ago, becoming a software developer took years of study and practice. 5 years ago, you at least needed to learn the basics of coding. Today, you just need to know what you want to build and how to ask for it. The game has changed, and the people who adapt fastest are going to win. First, go install Droid CLI. Today, not tomorrow. Today, even if you're not sure what you'll build with it yet, just get it set up, make sure it works. Second, build something small, anything. A simple web page, a calculator, a to-do list, doesn't matter what it is. Just build something, get comfortable with the process. Third, think about problems in your business or your life that software could solve. Write them down, then pick one and try to build a solution. With Droid CLI, it might not work perfectly, that's okay. You'll learn more from building and failing than from watching more videos. And fourth, share what you build, post it on Twitter, show it to friends, put it on Reddit, get feedback, learn what people think. That's how you improve. That's how you find opportunities. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you're building. I want to hear about your projects, your wins, your struggles, and I'll do my best to help. Now, for those of you who are serious about using AI to make money, I've got something for you. Welcome to the free AI Money Lab. With Julian Goldie inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. We show you how one member made $10,000 plus with ChatGPT. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI.